Hello everybody, it's Mayor Jamie here. I just thought I'd like to give you an update on what's happening in Westport or Bulla in terms of the COVID level 4 response. So EOC is now in full swing, and the team are preparing plans and setting up all the structures to support our community through the level 4 response. Just in case it goes longer than 3 days, they're certainly putting plans in place to be able to cope with that if we need to. Focus, of course, is on our flood-affected residents. We still have a lot of people out there that are in emergency accommodation that we really need to make sure we keep a good eye on and provide the welfare and services that they need over the level 4 lockdown as well. And council staff, of course, are trying to keep business as usual going remotely, with a number working from home, keeping all our traditional council work ticking over as well. For further info on council services and that, there's been an update on the Bulla District Council website, and you can find links there and the phone number there to call for anything council related that you need help with. We all have a role to play in this in level 4 lockdown. Whether or not we've been flood affected, this really does require the whole district to pull together again. We did it last time in level 4, and we certainly pulled together during the floods, and we can pull together again this week. So sticking to the rules and keep yourself and your community safe by doing all the things that you're hearing about on TV and on the COVID website, staying within your immediate household bubble, keeping at least 2 metres apart from other people when you're out in public, and wearing the masks when you go to any of those essential services providers like the supermarket or the dairy. It's now mandatory that you do that. And of course, if you're feeling unwell, immediately self-isolate, phone Healthline, and get advice as to what the next steps should be for you there. There's also a lot of rumour and potentially incorrect information that floats around as these situations evolve, especially on Facebook and that. And there's a lot that can really be quite disconcerting for people when the information may not be right. So we really encourage people to stick to the official channels where you can. That's the COVID-19 website, or the information that comes out on the Bulla Emergency Management Facebook page are really good sources of accurate information that's been sort of verified by the government and health officials as the situation evolves. So it is a challenging situation for the district, and complicated also by the effects of the flooding that we're still in the early stages of recovery from. So it never hurts to pick up the phone if anyone needs help in terms of assistance, welfare assistance. You can ring the emergency centre here on 0800 number, 0800 768 348, and that gets you in touch with the centre here, who can direct you to the right assistance you might need in terms of accommodation or any other welfare needs that you have. And also never hurts to pick up the phone to your neighbour. If you know you've got someone next door, you don't have to go and visit them physically. You can pick up the phone, you can FaceTime them, just to break that day up a bit, make sure that they're doing okay. And again, you might even be able to call on their behalf if you think there's an issue there that needs addressing, that they may be not prepared to reach out themselves. So that's about it from me. Keep in touch. I know Bob will be talking to you later about some more detail on the recovery and how things are going here at the EOC. So thank you very much, and stay safe, everyone.